taking a big math test and you get a question like this. It says, data set A consists of 10 positive integers less than 60. The list shown gives 9 of the integers from data set A, but it's missing 1 integer. The list shown gives 9 of the integers, and they say that the mean of these 9 integers is 42. If the mean of data set A is an integer that is greater than 42, what is the value of the largest integer from data set A? So we know that there's going to be a total number of numbers that is going to be divided by 10 that has to be greater than 42. So what is that total number of numbers that has to be? Well, either it can be 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, etc. Right? But this last number has to be less than 60. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all the numbers that we're given and we're going to just do 9 times 42. 9 times 42, because that's going to give us the sum of the numbers in the data set that's shown. And we're going to find that that's going to be 378. Okay? So the total sum of the numbers that we have is going to be 378, and then it's going to be plus some number n that's going to be divided by 10, and it has to be greater than 42, okay? But that n has to be less than 60. N has to end in 2, okay? That way this rounds out to be a 0, so it can evenly divide by 10. So let's just go ahead and think of, if I just add 2, okay, that would mean that this is 380. But if I divide that by 10, I know that that will not be greater than 42. So what about 390? Okay, cool. Well, that will also not be greater than 42. You can see where we're going with this. So we know it has to at least be 420. But we know that since it has to be greater than 442, it's probably going to have to be 430. Something that when divided by 10, it will become 43 or 44. So what number would I have to have, right, in order for this to be true? And also has to be less than 60. Okay, well, I'm gonna do 430 minus 378, and I'm going to get 52. Is 52 a number that is less than 60? Check. Will it lead to a mean that is greater than 42 and is also an integer? Check. So n must be 52. For more practice problems and tips, follow us at enlightentutoring.com.